Hi, I'm Kathleen, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfect tea using loose tea with a French press. You can use any French press that you'd like, but today we're going to do our demonstration using an Aerolatte French press. First, pre-warm your cup and your French press by pouring hot water into it. This will help to keep the water temperature even as the tea brews. We recommend that you use a separate French press for tea and coffee. Once the French press and the mug are primed, dump out the water. Measure the correct amount of tea into the French press for the number of cups that you'll be making. Next, pour the hot water into the French press and allow the loose tea to steep. Take a look at this chart for the proper steeping time, or check the description. Alright, while the tea is steeping, I'm going to give you a few tips for better tea. Alright, the first tip is when you're using loose tea to measure the tea according to the package, and if you're going to be making iced tea, double the amount. The second tip is, in general, for an 8-ounce cup of tea, you'll want to use 1 level tablespoon of tea. If your tea is fluffier, you'll want to use a rounded tablespoon. Tip number 3. If you want a stronger cup of tea, you can use more tea leaves, but make sure that you stay within the recommended brew time to avoid bitterness from oversteeping. And our last tip, if you don't have a thermometer to check the temperature of the water, just keep in mind that boiling water will cool down to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit after 1 minute and 185 degrees Fahrenheit after about 2 to 3 minutes. When the tea is done steeping, press the plunger of the French press and pour into your cup. And the last step is to enjoy your perfectly brewed tea.